Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing an unboxing of some new products that I've received. I popped an order in with the company Glitterbels. My sister absolutely loves their products and she's wanted me to try them for a while. She's been on at me a couple of times, so I went for it and tested out, or I will be testing out some of their products. So I have got the box just here. Really lovely, cute little box. Well, I say little, it's quite a big box. Love the packaging. Super fast delivery. If you order over £50, you get it free. So yeah, so I'm going to open it up and reveal what I got. So, have lots of packaging. So, what do we have? Hope you like your product. So, yeah, just some leaflets to give you, tell you where they are on social media, Instagram and etc. So my order form. Okay, so that, and I have another. Quite excited to open this, see what it looks like inside. So how cute is that? I love it. A little sticker there. I'll just peel that open. Oh wow. Okay. Okay guys, so I had to turn my camera around for you to see exactly and properly how this looks, because it's so cute. I can't even open it. It's upside down here. So anyway, I shall whip it out. This is the starter kit on their website, the acrylic starter kit. As you all probably are aware, I'm so used to Miss You Beauty's products because that's all I ever use. So I thought, if I'm going to try out a new set of products, I want to have the tester kit before I purchase anything major. So here we go. Oh, how cool is that? Wow. Love it. So we've got acid-free primer and the dehydrator. I'm really sorry about my table wobbling, guys. I need a better setup. I do apologise. So then I've got these acrylic powders. I have glass slippers. These are all in 15-gram pots. I've got pink opal. These are the core powders here, by the way. Tinkerbell cover. Cute. Then we've got porcelain cover, Peachabelle soft, snowdrops white, and Tinkerbell sheer. So, and then I've got, oh, it's got a dent. That's not so good. A couple of dents actually. Okay. And the monomer, 100 mils of, so quite a decent amount in the starter kit. I was going to get one of their brushes, acrylic brushes, however they're out of stock, so I couldn't get them. So, but I like the packaging, really actually love that packaging. That is so cute. So then the next thing that I ordered is inside here. Try and open it. I really need some scissors. I'll just tear it open. Excuse the rubbish on my desk. It really is a mess. So then I've got brush on builder gel in clear. And then I ordered their no wipe top coat. I really like the packaging, look at that, it's like holographic. That is so cool. And then the next thing I ordered, because I really needed these, and I thought, well, if I'm going to try out the company, I may as well try out pretty much everything that they've got. So I went and ordered some nail tips. Again, I wanted square tips, but the ones that I wanted were out of stock. So I went with almond ones. So, clear almond, 500. So, I'm quite excited to try these out as well. So, yes. So, the Brush Up Builder Gel, in the shade Clear, that's £10.83. The No Wipe Top Coat is £8.33. Then these are, the tips are £12.49, and the starter kit was £30.41. But then obviously you've got to add VAT onto all of that. And like I said, because what I ordered was over £50, so I got free delivery, which I think is amazing. So I'm going to try it all out, and that will be in my next video. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what these products are like. I've heard some really good reviews about them, so we shall see. I shall try them out, and that will be in next week's video, so don't forget to tune in for that. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Bye.